the object of the exercise today is to try and find these nice people some mackerel for their dinner. And we just came back from a 2-hour, and there were 6 of them, and they caught 17 mackerel, I think it was. So they did okay. Okay, well let me just run over a few. So when you get your rod, you'll find that the lead is wrapped clockwise. It's nice for children to actually see a fish being caught and decide whether or not they think it's something they want to do. Actually, what I've noticed happening this year is youngsters wanting to come fishing and really enjoying it, and then maybe 1 in 10 they feel sad when they see the fish dying. They want to put the fish back, which is fine. They still want to enjoy catching the fish, but they want to see it swim away afterwards. And it's a part of growing up is to realise where your food comes from. And these are obviously free range. You know, these are healthy, happy fish. Well done. You don't look very happy about it. She's in shock since she's caught a mackerel. Exciting? Are you going to look forward to eating it?
Yeah.
Cool. Ramping for the teacher. Let's get it in the bucket. Let's get it in the bucket. So this was your daughter's rod, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Currently, while we've got mackerel here, then that's what we're going for. And it's possible to also catch whiting, pollock, gurnard on these hooks.
We got 2!
Oh, we got 2!
What's that?
Turn it around towards Justin on your left. Turn it around to your left. Okay, lift the rod up.
Oh my goodness!
The rod up.
I can't touch it.
And Ollie's got one.
Hold it there. Keep going, keep going. Yay!
You caught one then?
Yeah. No. I think they think that everyone's gone and they just come
safe.
up like.
It's safe to come to the surface.
My first fish I've ever caught.
Yeah.
We need to do a bit more on what to do with the fish, because when you go to the supermarket there are prepared meals for you there, so it's all you do is put it in the pan and you've got all the sauces and stuff ready. So when you come to a fishmonger's, you're just going to get the fresh fish, but the difference between buying a locally caught fresh fish to what you buy in the supermarket is quite astonishing. It's a sort of much simpler journey, isn't it, from the sea in Cardigan Bay to your dinner table in Cardigan Bay. It doesn't need to go to a factory to get processed and filleted to arrive on your plate. So it's a much more environmentally friendly way in many ways. It hasn't gone to Europe to be cleaned or filleted and then frozen and then driven back to the UK to go on a shelf. So health-wise it's much better for you, but also environmentally it's much better for you.